So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to loop or repeat music on Spotify. I'm going to show you guys how to do it when you have Spotify Premium and when you don't have Spotify Premium. So for the Spotify Premium version, I'm going to show you it right away. It's very easy. Just click on the song, and on the right, besides the play button and skip button, it will say a sort of loop icon. So just click on that, and this will loop a song. But if you're on a playlist, this will loop the entire playlist. And if you just want to loop one song of a playlist, click on it again, and this will say a 1. And that means that it's gonna loop this song only. And right now I'm going to show you guys how to do it when you don't have Premium. And all you need to do is basically just click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and click on Add to Queue. And then it says Add to Queue, and when I skip, it will play the song again without the repeat button. And what you want to do is just keep adding it to the queue, maybe like 10 times. And yes, I've added to the queue a few times now. And if you go to the queue right here, you can see that I've added it a few times. And then when you listen to the song and press skip, this will play it again. As you can see, that's basically how you can loop a song if you don't have Premium. So if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.